Before I start the download and installation, I want to point out that if you are a current Autodesk user, then you can find those downloads also from manage.autodesk.com website. From here you have different possibilities how you can download, install. You can also find your serial numbers. And if you are educational user, then you might want to go also to autodesk.com education portal, because, for example, if you haven't initiated a new product, new version from here, which is not available at manage.autodesk.com website, you probably have to do it first from this portal, and then this new product will go also to manage.autodesk.com portal. In both ways, you can successfully install and activate your product. It is just for later cases that manage.autodesk is probably more convenient to use for any other installations. And also, if you're a current user, you can find those new products directly from Autodesk desktop app. So you can also start installation from here. As you see, there are different ways how you can do that, but don't worry, in all those cases, the end result is the same, because you basically use the same installation, download installation procedure, and your serial number or the activation will define how you start using your product. As a commercial user, as an educational user, or maybe you just want to try out those products. In that case, you don't need any serial number, but quite possibly those products are working in your machine up to 30 days. Let's move back to autodesk.com website and let's pick our product to install. In this video, I will install AutoCAD 2023. You can find AutoCAD landing page from Products menu, AutoCAD, or you can use quick way to add a slash and AutoCAD onto your address bar. From here, you can select Download Free Trial, and then you need to create or use your current Autodesk account. If you don't have your Autodesk account, you can simply create it, and you have to activate it through your email. But I do have my account already activated, so I will use my current account and the password, and then I probably may also include some additional security if I have activated it at my account. If it is my first time to download, then I have to give some information to Autodesk. For example, what is my objective of trial? I just select some information. You can select your industry field. You can also select your role, also job level. Anyone works, just you have to select something. You click next. Also, you do need to include some company information and you click next again. And now you can select your download method or installation method as well. As you see, Windows is by default selected. I'm a Windows user. Also 2023 and language version English, but you can change it from here. And then down below you have install, or you can select download. So what is the key difference in between those? If you select download, you download your files first, and then you can install your product maybe later times, maybe tomorrow, and you have also your files ready, for example, at your portable drive, that you can install the product to different machines. So I usually suggest this download method, because if you select this install method, of course, files will be downloaded as well, but they will be in some default location, and it's not so easy to move those files to portable drive. It can be done, but once again, download method is better, in my opinion. Of course, install method is somewhat quicker, so that you don't have to mess around to where you want to copy those files and as such. So I select download and pay now attention to that depending on product, you get multiple times save as dialog, which means that you are downloading your files as multiple files. And you have to be careful that you don't miss any of those additional dialogues. For example, in here you have a first file 0102. So I select my location to where I want to download. I click save, and now a second time save as dialog, and you now see 0202, and again I select same folder and click save. Now this takes some time. Once those files are downloaded, we will come back and start an installation. Once your download is finished, both two files, you have to extract those files first, and then you can start installation. So let's do extraction now. I click on this file, which has naming 0102, double click, and then I can select the folder into where I want to extract those files. I will probably go into the same folder as I'm right now. So I change, then I hit OK, and in a moment I can fire up my installation. I can also see that about 4 gigabytes is my full download size. But once you have extracted those files, you can also delete those exe files as long as your extraction went well. So let's wait for extraction to be finished. And as you see, once this step has been finished, automatically installation starts. But you don't have to install it straight away. You can also go to your folder, and later on you can click the same setup.exe. I will let to do the installation right now, and in a moment I will see installation start screen. Okay, I may have to confirm in my Windows user account that I want to give access to my exe file. So you have to click yes. Then you need to accept license agreement by clicking I agree and next. And now you can select the folder into where you want to install your AutoCAD 2023. I will keep the default location, C drive, and that's it. I click install, and now I just have to wait once my AutoCAD 2023 will be installed. Because all my files are downloaded, the installation itself should be quite quick process. Obviously, you have to ensure that your machine is good enough that it can run AutoCAD 2023. You can check from Autodesk website what are the requirements to your hardware. And once we have installed AutoCAD, I will also do a first run and will show you some really basic things, how you can start your new project or new drawing, and maybe we also check some new features. But in my later videos, we will also do some quick performance tests in where we just try to compare this new version with previous one. As you see, I already have an icon at my desktop. So my AutoCAD 2023 is installed. I can click finish. And now, if I do need to restart my PC, then I will do that. But currently, I can run my AutoCAD 2023 straight away. You can fire up AutoCAD directly from this icon, 2023 English, but you can also find your product by searching like AutoCAD 2023, and you can later on fire up from here as well. But let's double click this icon. Now, if you have multiple versions of AutoCAD installed in your machine, you will most probably get this dialog before you can start using your new version. And it will kind of ask you if you want to migrate your custom settings onto your new AutoCAD. So if you have made multiple customizations like templates and tool palettes and as such, this is probably good to go. But you can do that also at later step. This tool is available at later step. So I will miss this at this moment, just cancel. And AutoCAD 2023 should launch. As you see, I probably get notifications about that I'm using a trial. I can miss this one from this right corner. I probably need to select some privacy controls by hitting OK. And now I should have my AutoCAD 2023 opened, but without any drawing yet. So basically I can hit a new button from left. I can click also this arrow and I can select a template based on what my new drawing will be created. And it's good to check what kind of templates you have, especially when you are new user. So I click Browse Templates, and for example, if you are metric user, then you most probably will select AutoCAD ISO TWG as your preferred template file. But if you are American user, then you can select this AutoCAD.twt. Obviously, if you are a current user, you have used AutoCAD beforehand, you may have your own templates, and then you obviously select that one. And the idea of template file is that you are not opening this file, but you are creating a new drawing based on this template and based on settings in that template. So if I select this one, I click Open, and I have a new drawing space in AutoCAD 2023 in where I can start to draw something. For example, at the moment I can see my, let's say, 2D toolset. If I click, for example, this wheel, right hand corner, I can select 3D Basics or 3D Modeling toolsets. For example, I go for 3D Modeling. In that case, my toolset, which is available through ribbon tabs, will change. And as a final step in this video, I will also select how I can save my drawing. So if I click this red icon, left click, and if I select Save As or Save my drawing, I can see different TWG versions. And also in AutoCAD 2023, we are still using AutoCAD 2018 drawing format. This has not changed, and I'm saving my drawing files always as TWG. Alright, that was it. I hope that it was useful how you can download and install AutoCAD 2023, also what kind of options you have to download. Probably the next step after you have tried this version, you will start to activate your product. You can do or you can access those options directly from the right hand corner, from where you can see how many days you can use your trial product. Yes, activation itself is quite an easy process. You have to ensure that from manage.autodesk.com or from your educational portal, you have your serial number ready. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe to my channel, because in my later videos, I will also do some quick tests in terms of AutoCAD 2023 performance when compared, for example, with AutoCAD 2022. Bye bye.